Hello friends, Michael with you today, and I trade binary options. And in the description below this video you'll find a link to my private Telegram channel where you can find a lot of useful information about trading. I post there trading signals and a lot of interesting stuff, and if you write me today you will get a really nice bonus of 50% free on your deposit. As we can see, after the downtrend movement, an ascending wedge was formed. I got to $200 to buy since the price is now growing back and doesn't allow it to break through the wedge. A false breakdown is a deceptive maneuver in which a major player breaks to the level, collects stop and buy sell and orders and goes in the opposite direction. So the whole market is built on crowd manipulation. Everyone knows that beginners, as a rule, buy where they need to sell and sell where they need to buy. This is very convenient for a market maker to use. And by the way, here is our first profit plus $340. We're waiting for the second entry point. That's what I like here. We have an ascending wedge again, and as we remember, such a pattern is worked out by a short, and I will make a trade $200. A little earlier I told you about market makers. I probably need to explain who it is. A market maker is a legal entity or individual who has concluded an agreement with the exchange to maintain the price level of traded assets. Moreover, the terms of the agreement will determine the direction of activity. One market maker is responsible for preferred shares, the other for maintaining liquidity and the necessary spread during a specific period of the trading session. So that's our profit plus $339. Let's move on to the third pair, which is United States dollar and Canada dollar situation. As you can see, we have an incline level, bounced off it and reversed at the point. I will make a down trade $200 as we can fall further. Since I've told you who market maker are, then I probably need to tell you what they do. So no matter what market sharks, market makers may be in the eyes of beginners, the main purpose of their activities is to preserve the liquidity of exchange instruments and maintain trading opportunities for traders with modest deposits. They allow you to make trades at an adequate price in responsible time intervals. Thus, the following main responsibilities can be distinguished: keeping the price in a certain range, provision of additional liquidity as needed, and prevention of price gaps. To achieve their goals, market makers fulfill contractual obligations. They carry out trades for the purchase and sale of stocks, futures, or currencies, predict price fluctuations, regulate the volume of lots to maintain liquidity. Plus $308. Perhaps it's time for the fourth situation. So Canada dollar and Japanese yen has a horizontal level from the border of which we bounced. A small pullback is required for the longest downtrend movement, and I made a trade of $200 in this pullback. I want to tell you more about how a market maker works. Every day, market makers make a huge number of trades, maintaining high liquidity of exchange assets. Continuous work includes many operations: purchase and sale of assets at the request of the client, meditation for earning on the spread, currency trading, and opposition onto the market, the sale of shares when prices rise, and conversely to maintain a balance of supply and demand. At the same time, the analysis of the situation on the stock exchange is not the usual horizontal version of the trader for the trader, but the vertical one. Market makers have access to a class of orders where not only purchase and sale operations are indicated, but also pending orders, stop losses, and take profits. Another plus $266. Thank you for watching this video to the end. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment this video. And there is always only useful information about analysis and stuff like that. So that's all for today, and I wish you all these successful trading sessions. And also don't forget to pick up a nice bonus via going through the link. And see you next video. Bye.